Cooking General. All right, we on part 2 of this egg series. This is the second egg recipe I'm going to show you. You remember the devil eggs? This is part 2. Now, let's get to the egg recipes. Now, I'm going to show you how to do a baked egg omelet. Now, people boil eggs, they fry eggs, they do all kinds of things with eggs. But we're going to bake these eggs. We're going to bake eggs. Okay, you familiar with it? We're going to do a baked egg omelet. Let me show you what we do. All right, we're going to need about 8 eggs to do this omelet. We're going to need some mushroom, onions, bell pepper, and then we're going to top it off with little green onions. We're going to need some garlic for the season, some black pepper. Now we got some tomatoes and green chilies right here. We're going to put in there. We got ham on the meat. We're going to have bacon on the meat. We're going to have pork sauce on the meat. And we're going to also have cheese. Now, we're going to saute these vegetables in this olive oil right here. We're going to saute our vegetables first. Then we're going to even spray. Although it's a glass dish, we're going to still spray it to make sure we don't get no sticking. Man, a baked egg omelet, you never had one? This baked. So you got no grease in front. This is healthy. This is more healthy for you. You see how I do? What I do is healthy for you. Oh, okay. Oh, Cooking General back. Let's do these eggs. Now check it out. I got all my eggs cracked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 8 of them. My bacon has already been put in the oven. You know you put the bacon in the oven, it gets it straight. And I got it already crumbled up, ready to go. This here ready to go, and that ready to go. But come here, let me show you what I'm gonna do over here. On this side here. Now, I got my little pan sausage on. You brown that up. But since you want to go ahead and add your, I put a little olive oil in there. We're gonna put these here bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms off in there. And we're gonna saute all this here with the meat. And we're gonna saute that up and get this here ready. Because now we're gonna whisk these eggs up. And one more thing I want to tell you. We're gonna add just a little milk to the eggs. Just a little milk. And we're gonna get the eggs done. We're gonna get that sauteed, and oh man. You know what? Professionally, I was unprepared for this video. But the more I think about it, the healthier it's getting. To your health. Cooking General, ask somebody. Cooking, oh, yeah, Cooking General back again. Look here. Now, we got our eggs, we whisk them up. I put a little black pepper and a little garlic powder off in there. Now, we got this here already sauteed. So you want to put you a little of that there now. That's that mushroom, the onion, and bell pepper. Now, we're going to put a little ham off in there. Then, we're going to add some bacon. Got to put your bacon in there. Some of these tomatoes, green chilies. It says, Miss, I want some more of this in there. Said it. Let's go ahead and add the rest of this in there. Get it all out of there. Let's get it all. Let's just, matter of fact, let's go and do this. So she said it. Let's do it. Next time, camera person, keep to yourself. I got this. All right. Let's put this ham in there. Forget it. Let's do all of it. Let's do it all. Let's do it all. You want to sit there with the cooking? Let's do it all. Let's do it. Let's do this then. Let's get every crumb. Every crumb out there. You want to sit there and argue with the Cooking General? Let's put it all in there. Just throw it. I'm gonna put it all in there. You know how you do it? Put it all in there. Put it all in there. Let's do it. Now you mix this up in the bowl. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Now, what we're gonna do now? You want to add your little cheese to that. Now, on this here, you can use your favorite cheese. But on mine, I'm gonna use some sharp cheddar shack cheese. You want you to throw you a little bit of that in there, sprinkle around, but you save a little bit because you want to add some to the top. You want to add some to the top of it when you get it baked. So we'll put a good amount of cheese in there, and you'll mix all that up, just like that. Because you finna bake this here. Now, take your bowl.
Nope, Cooking General. You got to spray your pan. You forgot.
Don't you tell me how to do this! Spray your pan, y'all. That ain't because she told me, because I know. I'm Cooking General. You better ask somebody. Alright. You put this in there. Okay. Alright, I messed it up. Alright, we got it. We got this though. Let's do it. Let's do it. It's still going. Show's still rolling. Man, you can't cut it. Alright, let's do this. We got it. We got it. We got it. We got it. Put that off in your. Look at that. Now, Spread it around. You may want to make sure it's even out. Now, I preset my oven for 350. Now look how thick that look. Look at that. See that? That's real thick. Now, you want to put the oven, 350, and let it go. And the next time you tell me, embarrass me again in front of my camera, Cooking General, ask somebody.
Whatever.
Cooking General, back again. Okay, we got it ready. Put it out the oven. Ooh, we add some more cheese on the top of it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We add some more cheese on it. Now, what you want to do, you want to sprinkle your little green onions on there. Like that there. Man, look at that. Now, there's a baked egg omelet. But you know what? I made a bunch of videos of Cooking General. And not one time I had a camera person tell me what to do. Don't ever tell me what to do on my videos. You better ask somebody. Oh, shit, quit biting me.